Okay, hi guys, this is Sonic here. We are on a week number 26, 2018. Okay, this coming week, actually we are on Monday already. So this week, right, we will be having, in my opinion, we'll be having quite a light week. Okay, the first reason being is that we have a bit of lower activities going on right now. As you can see, compared to the last week, we have pretty much lower activities. All right, because you know, today is Monday. Definitely, we don't have anything going on at all. And as you can see, tomorrow we have only like US dollar news, and we also have a few on the coming day as well. Okay, there are a few things that you need to take note though. All right, the first one will be, of course, we will be having New Zealand, and we'll be having some speech from CAD. So there are the few things that you may want to take note is New Zealand CAD pairs, and British pound and US dollar. So basically, these are the four major pairs that you may want to take a look at. Okay, overall, I'm expecting compared to the last week, we shall see a little bit lower volatility in my opinion. At the same time, the second reason that market may be slow because of the World Cup. Because as you know, as the majority of the people are watching World Cup, I think it will have a great impact on the market itself. Okay, so this is what I'm expecting on this week. Okay, let's do some analysis here. Okay, first of all, I would like to talk about gold. Okay, gold at the moment, what is happening right now is we are still pretty much on the sell down mode. All right, they try to do some sort of like a pullback on the last Thursday and Friday, but so far it is not really successful yet. Okay, in my opinion, the gold can swing up to for example, like 1278, 1293, this kind of level. But 1278, 1293, this kind of level. But in my opinion, they will not go way past above this level. So it's rather to wait for a sell at the higher level will give you a better chance of surviving, better chance of making money in the long run. So I am slightly bearish on the gold at the moment. All right. So another one that I would like to go through is Dow Jones. Okay, Dow Jones, they are in a similar pattern as well. We are going back to retest this pretty strong support level in my opinion. This level such as like somewhere around 24,300 level. Currently we are slightly shy above 24,400 level. So that means they can go back down lower a little bit furthermore in my opinion. All right. So we are nowhere seeing any typically strong bullish sign at the moment. All right, so if you really want to long, I think you may want to wait for the price to come down somewhere around 24,200 levels and wait for some sort of bullish candle, something like this. All right, something like this, some sort of like a typically promising bullish candle, then you go for a long. I think at the moment there is no reason for you to long. So like I said, I'm pretty much on the bearish side at the moment. I'm expecting they can go down to 24,250, 24,200 level, so which is around like 150 more pips, 150 more points away. All right. So the third one I would like to talk about is silver. As you can see, we have a pretty decent so-called swing back going on, but they have failed to break out this 16.48 so far. So currently, I would like to say that we are seeing some sort of like a swinging up momentum is going on. So you can see we have like a two candle swing up, two candle swing up, two candle swing up, and two candle swing up is making here as well. So I want you to take a look on this swing up, and at the same time take a look on this 16.50, 16.40 level. In order for them to break out further, of course, we need to break out this level 16.5 to 16.6 level. Okay, you can have a small long or stuff like that, but do not bet so much on it, because as I said, 16.4 to 16.5, 16.6, this 20-cent level is a very hard resistance. And if they ever break up to this 16.6 again, I think we will start the typically bullish trend up again. Okay, so market is pretty much stay in the bullish. Pretty much stay on the sideway movement. Sooner or later, they have to break out soon. So my bet is eventually they shall break out higher. So I'm expecting I'm looking at how the trade unfold at the moment. So these are three pairs that I have just made. First is a gold, slightly bearish, and US market also pretty much on the bearish tone. And on the silver, I'm pretty much slightly bullish at the moment. I am, like I said, I'm expecting 16.4 and 16.6 to break up really soon. If it does, I think more and more bullish candle will coming in, and it will bring up this pair up pretty much higher. So let's see how it goes. So thank you very much, guys. James?
Yeah, okay. So, okay, over my end, I'll be talking about three cross pair. So, the first one would be the Euro to Aussie dollars. So, Euro to Aussie dollars is right now being in what we call it the resistance, support turn into resistance zone. As you can see in the past, looking at the left hand side, we are seeing price get supported once and it just break through it easily. So, right now, we are back at this kind of resistance level, but price action as of now is still very bullish. All right, so I would say you are late to long and it's still too early to go in for a short trade. All right, so if you have not entered yet, I would say hold your horses. Do not look to jump into it right now because it is at a resistance zone. All right, TA is still bullish, but should it shows up with a very nice pin bar again, then we could probably look for a low risk entry trade. All right, I'm saying that it could likely to go up higher because what we are seeing now is everybody can see this kind of resistance level, and we are also having a very nice engulfing candle on last Friday. So retail traders would short it because of all these kind of engulfing candles and place the stop loss just behind the candle. So price might go higher to whip out those weak short holders, and then before resuming its short trade, its bearish trade. All right. Up next would be the Euro Swiss franc that has a very nice bounce off as of now from the support level at 1.15. All right, I'm bullish so long as 1.15 still holds on to the price. And the first target of resistance that I'm looking at would be 1.16, and if it's break, then of course it will go towards the next resistance level at 1.165. Lastly, Pound New Zealand shares a similar structure or a pattern like the Euro Aussie, which you can see that the price breaks from the past support and is now right now at the resistance level again. Alright, so we have a very nice close on the Friday and price rallied back into its opening again. Alright, so as of now, so I mean, it's good that the price is going higher into the zone because it gives us a very smaller stop loss range. All right, so long as 1.93 still holds on to the price, I'm seeing that we could have some possible downside again. All right, but nevertheless, we always have to wait for some bearishness candle to show up first to give us more confirmation before taking on the trade. All right, so this is all we have for this week, and we wish you all the best and trade safe. Thank you.